As an example, if a person wants to give person C some money as sadaqah, so gives it to person B, and tells B to give it to a person C, will it to person C. Will C B also get the same reward of giving sadaqah? Anybody, my brother, mashallah, is A, B, C. I'm telling you, all A also will get this reward, B also will get the reward, and C also will be getting the reward. But B will get more reward because through the B, A is getting benefit and C is getting benefit. If B has the intention to give sadaqah using the money from A, the first thing is that if B has taken loan from A, and if he wants to give, the B has to give, sadaqah to someone else, that is, I don't know what was his intention to take the loan in the first place. If he has taken the loan from someone to give that loan to some other people as sadaqah, nobody will get the reward. The one who gave the loan will get the reward because he's helping B. But B will not get the reward if he is taking loan to give sadaqah to other people. No. Because first of all, loan is not something that is encouraged in our Islam. Loan should not be taken unless the person is really in need. And if a person has got some loan from someone, and afterwards if he has got some extra money left after he has fulfilled his needs, then the first thing is he should or she should return the additional money back to the person who lended him the money. And from that he can give sadaqah as well. I hope I didn't confuse you. Definitely, my brother, you confused me, but as I said that, taking loan to give sadaqah won't benefit. People are taking loan to go for Hajj. I think it is not good. It's not correct. People are taking loan to go for Umrah. I think it is wrong. People are taking loan and trying to do rituals, Islamic rituals. I think this is wrong. It is not correct in Islam, and it won't bring you any benefit in that. Wa alaikum assalam.